This line is the actual border between Czech Republic and Germany. It's 7 o'clock, 7 p.m. I did 85 kilometers. I found a host, but it's still 45 kilometers away. So I might have to cycle in the dark, and it's very hilly. But I stopped to a house here to ask some water, and they gave me this soft drink. It's nice. Some sugar, some energy for the road to push the last 3 hours. Good morning. Last night was shameful. I got to my host house, it was almost 10 o'clock. The last 20 kilometers killed me. So I basically did 85 kilometers from 4:20 in the afternoon till evening. I got there, it was dark. It was very hilly, the bit that I did Germany, Czech Republic. Loads of hills, not 1 meter flat. So I was either going up or going down. So it slowed me down a lot, and I had to keep going. And yeah, I told my host I was gonna be there, and at some point I was a bit ashamed, and I said maybe I should just pitch my tent somewhere and tell them that I'm not going, because it was late. I thought maybe they go to bed early. But anyway, it was a lovely evening. They gave me some cabbage soup. It was really good. And we had breakfast this morning. Unfortunately, we didn't get to talk too much, hang out too much. So that I didn't like, because I like to hang out and talk to people when I go in their homes. But I arrived late. It's a lesson for the next time. I shouldn't do things like this stupid. It was too much to plan to do another 85 kilometers when it's already late in the afternoon, 4:20 when I left the place where I had a stop. I was at petrol station, because it was the only place that could accept credit card, even for very small amount. I stopped in another shop for the just after the border to get a drink, like an energy drink. It was 9 coronas, it was like 30 euro cents, and obviously it was 9 coronas, and the minimum amount they accepted for a credit card payment was 150 or 160. So it was, but at the petrol station, even for small amounts, and I just wanted an energy drink so that I could get going. So today I'm 100 kilometers from Prague, and yeah, so this evening I should be in Prague. It's early in the morning, it's 8:45, so I can take my sweet time to get to Prague. It will be very hilly for the first part, and then the last half, it should be flat going down to Prague. Maps.me has the incredible ability to put you in the shittiest road ever, like trails that nobody passed through in years. It was the same in Africa. I was on loads of roads that didn't exist. But at least it's fun, it's an adventure, and you're in nature. But you never know if you do 10 kilometers and then the road is blocked. Happened to me many times. That I went on just to find out that it was impossible to pass because there was a river or something. Luckily, I'm not in a hurry to get to Prague because I have the whole day to do 100 kilometers. I have a feeling this road is gonna lead to nowhere. Fucking maps.me. It's impossible to go this way. Fuck it. Reverse. First of all, let me get this blackberry. Let's try. Let's try going up this way. What can I say? A tractor must have come here. I'll go and check what's like the trail in the forest up there. If not, I'll go back. That's 30-40 minutes for nothing. I think these are military roads, military trails, that since the communist regimes fell, they haven't been maintained or nor used. Oh, I see a signpost there. Let me check the map. Yeah, okay. I should be in the forest for a long while. Yeah. Okay, the first village is at about 15-17 kilometers. Let's try to do it. Hopefully I don't have to go back, because that is the last thing I need and want. Very pleasant morning in the woods. Well, now almost out of the woods. But yeah, it was a nice ride. I'm getting really hungry, but I think I feel like I want proteins. Not sure what to eat, but I have some oat bars someone gave me yesterday. I should have 5 or 6. Should be good. Should be good as a morning break. Morning break. But for some reason, I really feel like I need protein. Sometimes I get this feeling. Is when I think about carbohydrates or bread or something like that, and I don't feel it, I know then my body needs some proteins. Either lentils or beans or meat sometimes. I was vegan for over 20 years, so I'm not super keen on meat, but if I feel I need it, I would eat it. Also, like if I'm hosted by someone and I'm offered meat, I'll eat it. I'm not gonna say, oh no, I'm vegetarian, I'm vegan, I'm this, I'm that. No. I'm just grateful. Whatever is given to me, I gladly accept it. And I kinda don't like when I'm with someone that says, oh no, because I'm vegan. I don't like it. Even Buddha ate meat when it was offered to him. Because you cannot take away the privilege from people, the privilege of sharing something with you. If you refuse, whatever the reason, you're hurting someone because you take away the privilege of sharing. Especially when you're in places where there are very humble people and the little they have, they want to share it with you. It's for me, especially in those cases, it's a sin to say, no, I'm vegan, I'm vegetarian, I'm not having a piece of meat or a piece of chicken or a piece of fish. Ooh, paved road. Paved road. The fun is over. The fun is over. I think I'm gonna stop in this village to have a little break. I've reached the highest point of the day, so from now on it's all going down. Well, almost. It's up and down, many hills, but slowly but surely going down. And I have, looking at my map, I have 2 climbs that are longer than others. But from here down, it should be an easy day. It was actually quite hard. I only did 35 kilometers, and it's 12. It's 15 past 12. I thought I could have done a little bit more this morning, but it's okay. At least I've done most of the climbing for the day. Discesa. I think even this climb is over. I still have one longish climb. The other one should be small here. I mean, it's not that even this one was too long. It's probably about 3 kilometers, 2.5, 3 kilometers. But still, looking forward to go down a little bit. Next village, I need to find some water. Almost done. Hopefully there is someone on the road. Otherwise I'll have to ring the bell. Voda. Looking for Voda. I'm gonna ask here. No bell to ring. Hello? 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 Woda? Woda? Thank you very much. I'm sorry. Thank you. No, I see. Maybe I should carry more water, but I carry 1 liter, 1.5 liter maximum because there are so many villages. Seems like a waste. But many of these villages you cross, you don't see anyone. Anyway, score the water, and the water is cold from the fridge. So good. Another pit stop. I shouldn't eat too many, otherwise you get diarrhea. Officially got to Prague. My mood couldn't be worse. I just broke the mini rack of my saddle bag. Now it's Friday evening. Who the fuck am I gonna find now? These things always breaking on the weekends. Never on a fucking Monday morning. 26,000 kilometers, 26,000 kilometers of adventures. Through Africa, Turkey, Balkans, Europe. On both sides. So I will need someone that can make this mini rack in Prague.